Friends, let's go find the letters together. I can see a yellow bulldozer. There's something on its blade. Oh, look, it's the letter A. A. Dinosaur eggs. A green T-Rex. A red pterodactyl. Let's look under the blue egg. We found our letter B. B. Look at these washing machines. I think I see something inside this one. Let's turn it off and open the door. Oh, it's another letter. It's the letter C. C. Look, Bobo's got a sunny yellow hat. Jono has a blue cap. Huggy Muggy is dressed in red. The policeman has black clothes. Eeny Peeny has a white hat. Wait a minute, what is he standing on? It's the letter D. D. There must be a letter in one of these acorns. No letter in the blue one. How about this? No, I don't see a letter. Let's check out the yellow acorn. Wow! It's our letter E. E. Here comes the red ball, the blue ball, the yellow ball, and the green ball. Amazing! It turned into the letter F. F. Different colored ice cream bars. Here's a purple one, a pink one, an orange one, another purple one, a pink one, a brown one. I see something. It's the letter G. G. We have a vending machine. Let's get a gift. Guess what we got? Oh, it's the letter H. H. I'm lifting it. No letters in here. Up and roll. And no letters in here either. How about the green one? There's the letter. Letter I. I. It's a fruit and veggie basket. Let's find another letter. Strawberry. Carrot. Wow, they're so colorful. Can you see the next letter? Awesome! It's the letter J. J. Frog's picnic baskets are being moved by a bulldozer. What's behind it? It's the letter K. K. Look at this cool slime. I'm opening the blue one. It has ocean friends. Let's check out the yellow slime. Do you see the beads? Wow, red slime. I see a lot of colorful balls. Hold on, what's this? Wow, we found our letter L. L. What do we have here? A lot of shapes. Are there letters here? This is an orange circle, a yellow rectangle, a green triangle, a blue square, and a red pentagon. Our letter M was hiding under the shapes. M. I'm pouring out the blue vehicles. No letter here. And the red ones? Nope. The orange ones? No letter. How about the green? Nothing. Maybe it's with the purple vehicles. Not here. How about the yellow ones? Oh, great! It's the letter N. N. Oh, it's a lock that looks like a fire truck. Let's open the lock. We need to find the right key. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to try to open it. Nice! It's the letter O. O. Guess what letter's hiding in the gumballs? I think I feel something. It's our letter P. P. I'm warming up some healthy food. Wait a minute. Oh, I found our letter Q. Q. We have colorful cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's something in the 7th one. I see another puzzle piece. It's the letter R. R. Time to discover what's in this green sand. I feel something. Surprise, it's another letter. Letter S. S. Let's have some popping fun. Elephant. Lion. Monkey. I'm twisting the orange one. A tiger. And the letter T. T. Here are 6 eggs. There's a red star inside, a green heart, a yellow plus sign, a blue flower shape, and here's letter U. U. What's gonna happen when I pound the balls? Wow, look at it go! Now the red one, the yellow one, and the blue one. The blue ball turned into the letter V. V. A giant orange crayon. What's inside? So many cool things. And what's this? It's the letter W. W. Do you think we can find a letter in the barns? Not in here. Not in the yellow one. This is empty. Nope, not in here. This is empty too. Not in the blue one. I hear something. Let's look inside the red barn. Wow! It's our letter X. X. Look at the stretchy tubes. I'm moving them away. We found our letter Y. Y. Let's play music together. It sounds beautiful. Amazing! Here's our letter Z. Z. We finished the puzzle. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.